Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to download the Scribd PDF file using your Google Android phone. So as you can see, I have here the PDF file from the Scribd that I want to download here. So let me close this one. So it's 682 pages. Now in order to download that, you have to go to another tab. Please go to Google and then search Scribd PDF downloader, and then here the first one, please click that and then go back to the Scribd PDF file that you want to download, and then copy the entire URL and then go back to the second tab to the Scribd downloader, paste it here, and then click get download now. And then sometimes there's an application, don't worry, just go back once again. So maybe that's nice, but it's okay. So click get download now. Then please wait for the next process. After that, wait for the verification. So make sure that your internet is stable. Please, once the verification was a success, please click download PDF. And then don't mind this one. Please just go back once again to the Google. Click download PDF once again. And then here, as you can see, base here, we have to wait for 10 seconds. And then please click download PDF. Please wait. Now after that, we can see here the file. Though there's some ads, it's okay. We have to scroll down, and then we can see here this one. And then we can also see the color orange, that one, download file. Just click that. And then here we have to wait for 4 seconds. And then great, now you can download after verified reCAPTCHA. Confirm I'm not robot, then click download button. Click download button, and then here let's try to refresh because we need to see the I'm not a robot. We have to click that one, I'm not a robot. Let us wait for the verification. So it's okay if it says captcha invalid, we just need to try it once again. Click download, and then after that you will see it on the notification. Okay, so we are done downloading the PDF file. If it's fully downloaded, so we have how many pages? So we have 682 pages up to the last file. Here we have it. So that's the end of our session.